Shane here, CryptoFish YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on and watching this video. I appreciate it. So today we're going to get into the little old lady trading technique on Kucoin. I'm going to do some live trading on there, pick some winners, losers, we'll see. And we'll pick a winner for Bitcoin Fridays. A little bit about myself. I've been in the cryptocurrency space nearly 2 years now. I do a lot of speculative coin mining. I compare various miners and GPUs. I do a little bit of trading here and there. And I do something called Bitcoin Fridays where I give away Bitcoin every Friday. So be sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hammer those likes. I would appreciate it. Now let's get into it. Alright, so the little old lady trading technique, I can't take credit for it. I learned it from DaVinci J15, and in turn I think he learned it through Brian Beamish. So I'm just going to show you how I do it and how I pick these different cryptos to trade with. By any means, this is not trading or financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I'm not any kind of a certified financial planner or trader. So take what I'm saying with a grain of salt. You'll have to go out there and do your own research. I will have links down in the description to DaVinci J15 and Brian Beamish if you guys want to go ahead and check them out as well. There's a couple other guys I watch for trading, Crypto Kirby and Lone Wolf Crypto, I think is his name. Again, those links will be down below as well if you guys want to go ahead and get more of an understanding on how to trade. Again, like I said, by no means an expert here. This is just what I do. It's been a little successful for me in the past when I was over on Binance. But as you guys know, they closed Binance down. So now I'm over on Kucoin, starting all over again and looking to make some profits. So let's go ahead and we're going to jump into Kucoin and we're going to look at their dashboard. And then we're going to hop on the exchange and I'll pick a couple of hopeful winners. Alright, so here we are on the dashboard of the Kucoin exchange. If you guys aren't a member of Kucoin, there'll be a link down below as well if you want to sign up with them. It's a pretty good exchange. It's a good alternative to Binance. So to get started, you're basically going to have to deposit some Bitcoin and it will show up in here in your main account when you do. In order to trade, you will have to click transfer to the Kumex account, which is right here. It's real simple to do a little pop-up, just transfer it over and it'll show up there immediately in your trading account. And if we go over here and click on orders, I click open orders. As you can see, I got a decent amount of open orders here right now. And we go to order history. And it shows you some of the orders I've made. And if we go over to stop orders, these are all the cells I have going right now. In other words, these have all been filled and now I am waiting for them to hopefully double in price. So let me pull up my little trading sheet here. I got a total of 23 trades going right now, 10 that have been filled, 13 that have not. And as you can see, did some here lately. I think I did about 11 or 12 here lately on the 24th, and with a nice little drop in the market here recently, I got 5 of those filled already. So it's a good thing about the dip in the markets, you get your stuff filled. All right, let's head over to the exchange. And here we are on the exchange. Pretty straightforward. I would have liked it to be this area to be a little bigger for me. You know, I'm not too familiar with changing any of the sizing of any of this. I don't know if you can or not. If any of you guys are on Kucoin, maybe you guys can let me know if you can edit, somehow change the sizing of all this. I know you can click here and it gives you a little bit bigger perspective. Real quick, have you guys traded using the little old lady trading technique? Let me know down below with a simple yes or no. Would be interested to know. And I'm always interested in your guys' thoughts on these things and I like interacting with you guys. So do that real quick. And let's see if I can find myself a trade. So the first thing I usually do is I'll go over here and make sure it's on BTC as a BTC pair. So I would click on that. Then I click just change here and I click this little top arrow right there. And it gives me the biggest losers for today. And then I'll scroll down and go to the main market. And then I'll just start start right at the top. Usually I can tell by now if it's going to be something that I want to look into a little further by the amount of Satoshis it's at right now. So we got, what is that, 19,000 Satoshis, I'm guessing that would be. 4 zeros. I just look for the 4 zeros because that will kind of tell me right off the bat the max supply. So it's vid. So then I'm going to go over to CoinMarketCap and I will type in Bitcoin, and I'll go over to total supply. I usually like it to be around 250 million or below. That's just a personal preference. It's not really set in stone. I believe DaVinci J15 likes that total supply to be below 100 million, if I'm not mistaken, maybe even lower. So I like to go push it a little higher to 250 million, roughly in that area. So this is like right on the bubble for me. It's got decent volume, 724,000 last 24 hours. So we'll go back over to here. And of course you would click on it and then it will pull its chart up. So I'm going to click the down arrow, give you a little more room. And it's not been too long here on Kucoin. Now if we go over to here and scroll down, yeah, it's fairly new, at least on the market's 2079 rank. So on the surface, I'm probably not going to go with that one. It doesn't have much trading history. I like to see a little more than that. So let's move on to, let me scroll down this list a little bit. What do we got here? Energy. I did a mining video on energy, a little mining / review video on that. I was able to mine it when it was in its mining phase. Of course, now it's in proof of work, but that's neither here nor there. So here's energy. So let's go over to NRG, CoinMarketCap. It's $3.26 right now. That got up to like $9 or $10 at one point. Circulating supply, 21 million, so that's a good circulating supply, rank of 65. So let's head over to here, and I'm going to click this little pitchfork right here. There's a little arrow right next to it, and I'm going to go down to Fibonacci retracement. For right now, I'm just going to double click, and then I can drag my guy down right here. And then you can't see it, but it's right above this little thing right here. Expand the window. So there we are on expanding the window. So then I will zoom in a little better and we will see, let's get to the bottom of that little wick right there and the top of that little wick. This is usually about a 3-month time frame in that little window. So that's about as far back as I usually go. So if I was going to buy energy right now, which I probably will, I would buy it at the 78.6 mark right here, or at 38,250 Satoshis, that looks like. If I'm not mistaken, yes, somewhere around there. Like, yes, 38,250. So I would buy it right there. It's actually right below that right now. So I'm just going to go over here to buy right now at the price. So I'm going to go 0.000 and I'm going to find the price it is right now. It's sitting at 37,404. So I'll put 37,404. The amount. So this is over here on my sheet. I'm going to put in maybe 2% of my total BTC, which total BTC is 0.025. That's what I started with. So 2% if I go over amount in BTC spent. This is just me. So 0.000495. That's all I'm going to put into energy right now. So I put 0.000495 divided by, go back over here, 0.00037404 equals, so that's all I'm going to get, 1.323 energy right now, 1.323, and that should give me roughly right here what I'm going to be spending, 0.000494, so that's close to 2% of my total BTC. So now let's click buy, and the order will go in, and once it's filled, then I will come right back into here and I will go to sell. And then I would go to stop limit, and I would double the price that I bought it for. So let's say I bought it at 37,404. 37,404, then I would go times 2. So that's what I would put in there, 307. What was that number? 74808. 808. And the amount, which was 1.3, so I'll just divide that in half. 1.32, I think it was, divided by 2, 0.66. So that's what I would sell, and as you can see, it's pretty close to the 2% of the overall amount I have in there, which is going to be 0.00495. So then I would click sell, but that order has not been filled yet, so we won't be doing that. But anytime an order is filled, I immediately go in there and put the sell order in for double what I got it at, and then I only sell half. So you sell half on the double, and then I'm going to make my money back when that first sell goes in. Anything after that will be profit. So that's how you would buy and sell. So let's go ahead and look for one more real quick, if I could. Scroll down. WAN, I've already bought that. What else do we got? GGC. So let's go and look at GGC. GGC. That's not even coming up. Is that really what it is? GGC. I don't know what that is. So that's not even coming up over there. So let's move on. ELA. Let's look up ELA over here. ELA. There we go. Elastos. Sitting at $1.88 right now. 34,908,000. Definitely within my range that I like. So we will go back over to here and click on ELA. Chart pulls up. So again, this is roughly over the last 3 months. So this would be July, August, September. So that's roughly about a 3-month range. So let me go back over to my little pitchfork, click the arrow over, Fibonacci retracement, and then I just double click, cancel, and I pull down, and then I go right up above here. I don't know why this is another thing. I'm sure I can change that. I click hide that, right? But then I would have to go back over to here. Fibonacci retracement, and then boom. And we scroll down. Then I zoom in, drag it over a little bit. My 3-month range, 3-month range, not month. And then I'm going to scroll about right there. Looks like it's about the bottom. So if I was going to buy ELA Elastos, which I probably will, it's going to be at 25,104 Satoshis. I'm thinking that's 25, could be 251,000. But 0.00025104 is what I'm going to buy that at. So 0.00025104. And we can drag this back over, and it'll actually show me right there. There we go. And point. So how much are we going to buy again? So pull up my little sheet, and I'm thinking I'm going to do, let's do 2% again. So 0.000495. I'm going to divide that by the price I want to get it at, 0.00025,104. 1.97 Elastos, 1.97. So again, as you see right there, it's pretty much right on the mark I want to buy it at, roughly $4 worth. Then I click buy ELA, and it will submit that order. So when it gets right there, actually spike that if it comes right back down. Looks like it closed right. So anyway, 78.6. I could have even went and bought it lower, but it hits that mark, probably should have done that now that I looked at it. It was already lower than what I wanted to buy it. But anyways, this is a long-term investment type deal. It's not far up from where the actual bottom is at right now. So again, when that order is filled, I go ahead and immediately put the sell order in, and whatever the double the price is that I bought it for, I will sell half of what I got. And then of course, once that's filled as well, I'll have made my money back. Everything after that is profit. And then you just keep going forward like that. Once the first sell comes in, then you're going to put the next sell in at double what you just sold it at. And you're going to sell half of what you have, and then boom, it just keeps going up and up and up. So in a nutshell, that's how I do the little old lady trading technique on Kucoin. Again, watch DaVinci J15 videos. They're down in the link description. And Brian Beamish as well. Go ahead and check his stuff out. I don't get any money for sending you guys over there. It's just where I learned this stuff from. And with that, let's go ahead and jump into my mobile studio and pick a winner for this week's Bitcoin Fridays. All right, welcome to the mobile studio. Here we are on my website in the giveaway section, thecryptofish.com. Latest contest, Bitcoin Fridays 9/27/19. That is today's date. Let's go over to manage giveaway. We had 60 contestants this week. I had to actually delete probably about 15 contestants because, of course, they were trying to game the system again with fraudulent emails. So I don't know why you guys waste your time, whoever's out there doing that, but I know how to figure that out, and I'll just delete the entries. So we had 60 legit entries, and we're going to go ahead and pick a winner for this week's Bitcoin Fridays. Don't worry if you don't win. I do this every week. Just make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell below. So when the Enter to Win video comes out next week, you will be notified. So all I got to do is click draw right here. Good luck, everybody. And Benjamin, congratulations on winning this week's Bitcoin Fridays. I'm going to go ahead and confirm Benjamin, and he is now confirmed. So then I'm going to go ahead and notify Benjamin, and Benjamin has been notified. You should be getting an email, Benjamin. Just respond to that email with your Bitcoin wallet address, and I will happily send your winnings on over. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Any questions or comments, put them down below as usual. I like interacting with you guys. So anything you want to ask down there, even if it's not even related to what this video is about, that's fine. I'll still talk to you about it. All right. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it around. I would appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up. If you want to see any more of my trading videos, should be a link popping up here in a second. And with that, guys, I want to thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.